G'day boys and girls and everyone in between. This year is all about big bumper tax refunds. Lyndall, how much can they get?
For some, up to $1,400.
Is that all?
No, with tax deductions, it will be more.
Thanks to the Lamito offset sticking around for another year and the tax cuts, some lucky could get an extra $1,400 coming to them. Lyndall, I think that should have read ducks. Who wrote the script?
I think it was Scott.
Oh well, he must have had better things on his mind. Okay, Lyndall, how can they get their hands on it?
Get as much cash as you can as quick as you can while being guided by our tax experts. In just minutes, you can have your tax return completed. Head to gotax.com.au to start your tax return now.
They just need to do their tax return. If all of their tax is paid up to date and no other factors are taken into consideration like Medicare levy surcharge or HECS and health debts, they should get the full amount back, based on their income of course.
Yes, some people will be clicking their heels with this tax refund. Click, click.
And you can get it really quick by using GoTax. And if you don't already know, that's our simplified system for doing your tax return as fast as possible.
Head to gotax.com.au to make a start.
Gotta go tax. Gotta go tax.